Top 5 Best Drones in 2024. As we approach 2024, the drone industry is buzzing with advancements that promise to revolutionize aerial photography and videography. These next-generation drones are not just about flying, they combine cutting-edge technology with sophisticated design, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike an unmatched piloting experience. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or chasing adrenaline-filled adventures, our list of top 5 drones for the upcoming year is your passport to the skies. Dive in to explore the future of aerial cinematography. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. Get ready to soar, drone enthusiast. DJI Mini 3 has arrived to revolutionize your capture of life's awe-inspiring moments. Imagine this: a compact technological marvel that rests perfectly in your hand, yet harnesses the innovation of larger drones. Creativity is sparked by true vertical shooting, flying effortlessly and wind resistance to 38 kilometers per hour. New visuals with the DJI Mini 3 take stunning day-to-night 4K HDR photos. HDR technology for subtleties, dual ISO, and 1x1.3-inch CMOS, unveil in low light with an f1.7 aperture and a 4x zoom, redefining brightness, illuminate with Mini 3. Field speed with the DJI Mini 3, 5 meter per second ascension, 3.5 meter per second descent, and 16 meter per second horizontal zoom. With a 40-degree tilt, capture daring angles. 48 megapixel CMOS sensor, 2:1 8000s shutter speed, 8064 into 6048 photos, and 4K 60 FPS films represent the visual zenith. Improve content using Mini 3, recorded in MP4 at 100 Mbps, epic pictures using quick shots, reliable twin antennas, and smooth dual frequencies. Fuel your journeys with DJI Mini 3. The 2453 mAh intelligent flight battery ensures endless adventure. With a 7.38 volt nominal voltage and a lithium-ion tech, peak performance is guaranteed. Charge smartly with DJI's 30-volt USB-C charger or compatible USB PD chargers. Charging hub handles sequential 3 battery charging, and at $569, the sky is yours to conquer. The DJI Mini 3 is your ticket to unlocking the skies. So, what are you waiting for? Adventure awaits. Let your imagination soar with the DJI Mini 3. Number 4. DJI Air 3. Hold on to your seats because the DJI Air 3 has just landed, and it's about to redefine the way you experience the world from above. Imagine a sleek marvel of engineering that effortlessly combines power, performance, and innovation into a compact masterpiece. Soar to 6,000 meter altitude, linger 46 minutes aloft, and hover confidently for 42 minutes. Capture limitlessly with 8 GB internal storage. It's time to ascend to new dimensions of possibilities. Capture brilliance with Air 3's dual sensors. Wide angle and medium tail cameras boast 48 megapixel 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensors. Freeze time with shutter speeds from 1/16,000 to 2 seconds. And for dreamy long exposures, embrace 2.5 to 8 seconds. Ignite your visual journey with Air 3's superior video capabilities. Wide-angle camera boasts h.264, h.265 video formats with 4K at 60 fps and FHD at 200 fps. Capture vertically with 2.7K and FHD modes. Dive into the magic of MP4 format with a max bitrate of 150 Mbps. Elevate precision with Air 3's advanced sensors, infrared and omni-binocular vision. Navigate 2.4 GHz and 6 antennas boast connectivity. Seamlessly experience Wi-Fi mastery across 802.11 senders, ensuring optimal signal strength and Bluetooth 5.2 reliability. Your connection is our commitment. Fuel your journey with a hefty 4241 mAh battery, a mere 267 grams. Navigate confidently at 14.76 volt nominal, 17 volt max charge. Tap into 62.6 watt-hour via lithium-ion 4S technology. Charge effortlessly using DJI's 65 watt to 100 watt chargers. The battery charging hub consecutively powers 3 batteries. Power and portability unite, revamping your skyward voyage. Priced at $1,099, your adventure beacons. The DJI Air 3 is here to make your dreams come true. So, why wait? The sky is calling. Answer it with the DJI Air 3. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Get ready to redefine your aerial imagination with the DJI Mavic 3 series. This is where cutting-edge imaging performance meets unrivaled creativity. The Mavic 3 Pro takes flight into a triumphant triple camera system that's set to revolutionize the world of camera drones. With a Hasselblad camera and dual tail cameras on board, this triple camera wonder paves the way for exhilarating new shooting perspectives. Your creative horizons expand, from captivating scenery to mesmerizing photographic storytelling and cinematic brilliance. Now, let's talk specs. The 4x3 cm Hasselblad camera and dual tail cameras offer you a spectrum of 20 megapixel, 48 megapixel, and 12 megapixel effective pixels, respectively. Capture stunning visuals with shutter speeds ranging from 2 to 1 by 8,000 seconds. And don't miss out on the massive image sizes: 5280 into 3956, 8064 into 6048, and 4000 into 3000 pixels, all held steady by the 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Safety and sensing covered. Omnidirectional binocular vision system backed by an infrared sensor keeps your flight path obstacle-free. 15km HD video transmission ensures a clear connection. Power is paramount. The Mavic 3 Pro doesn't disappoint. A 5000 mAh lithium-ion 4S battery delivers 77 watt-hour of energy, keeping you airborne for up to 43 minutes. Charge seamlessly with DJI's versatile chargers, DJI 65 watt portable charger or 100 watt USB-C power adapter, and the battery charging hub sports 3 battery charging in sequence. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, all these groundbreaking features and more packed into one adventure-ready package. The sky is the limit, and so is the price. Priced at $2,199. Elevate your aerial artistry today. Number 2. Autel Evo Max 4T. Introducing the Autel Evo Max 4T, a cutting-edge drone that redefines the possibilities of aerial exploration. This extraordinary device boasts an array of advanced features that propel it to the forefront of drone technology. Get ready for awe-inspiring imagery with the Evo Max 4T. Its 8K 10x optical zoom, 50 megapixel wide camera, and 48 megapixel zoom camera ensures stunning clarity. The thermal camera with 16x digital zoom adds a new dimension, while the laser rangefinder boosts precision. Experience the future of imaging. But that's not all. The Evo Max 4T combines superior hardware with intelligent autonomy. With AMesh 1.0 mesh networking technology and 720-degree obstacle avoidance, it effortlessly navigates complex environments. Its autonomous pathfinding capabilities make it perfect for tasks like 3D scene reconstruction and land surveying. The drone's ability to navigate in GPS-denied environments opens up endless possibilities. The Evo Max 4T's long list of features includes a 42-minute maximum flight time, IP43 weather rating, and hot swappable batteries. It operates within a vast transmission range of 12.4 miles and boasts an impressive wind resistance of up to 27 miles per hour. The intuitive Autel Enterprise app enables efficient mission planning, execution, and recording. Experience limitless connectivity with the Evo Max 4T. Skylink 3.0 sets a new standard with up to 20km image transmission. Embrace customization through Autel's SDK, priced at $8,999. It's an investment in boundless possibilities. Elevate your drone experience today. Number 1. DJI Inspire 3. Introducing the DJI Inspire 3, a masterpiece that redefines drone cinematography. With its sleek design, meticulously optimized features, it's a filmmaker's dream come true. Marvel at its powerful maneuverability and extended flight time of up to 28 minutes. The Inspire 3 doesn't just capture visuals, it captures emotions. Its tailor-made 8K sensor housed within the DJI X9 to 8K Air gimbal camera delivers breathtaking imagery that's on par with the human eye. Record up to 8K 75 FPS ProRes RAW or 8K 25 FPS Cinema DNG videos for unparalleled realism. But it's not just about the visuals, it's about precision. RTK positioning technology ensures centimeter level accuracy, making your flight routes more stable and creative. With Waypoint Pro, automated shooting experiences are within your grasp. Captures the impossible with repeatable routes and 3D dolly modes. Safety takes center stage with a robust omnidirectional sensing system featuring 9 sensors and customizable obstacle sensing. The 1x1.8-inch sensor ultra-wide night vision FPV camera guarantees clear vision even at night, enhancing flight safety. Engage with a pro-grade ecosystem, the O3 Pro video transmission system, DJI RC Plus, DJI 3-channel follow focus, and DJI Master Wheels. It's a filmmaker's arsenal, making complex shots effortless. Ignite your imagination with the DJI Inspire 3 masterpiece, priced at $16,499, featuring TB51 dual battery prowess, DG Pro SSD 1TB storage, and a foldable charger for day-long shoots. Effortlessly transport with the included trolley case, elevate filmmaking and artistry with advanced tech. More than a drone, it's boundless creativity. Embark on a captivating voyage of boundless artistry and innovation with the captivating DJI Inspire 3. And as we soar to the end of this electrifying journey through the top drones of 2024, remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a first-time flyer, these cutting-edge drones are your ticket to endless adventures. So, don't miss out on the drone revolution. Hit that like button if you are ready to take flight. Share this video with your fellow thrill seekers and subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for joining us. Here's to reaching new heights together.